good. Oh, it's fine down on you, man. Oh,
there's a fish, baby.
woo, woo, woo.
Here's the haul.
The wall. Oh. This one's huge. Oh.
Today we're going bottom fishing offshore on the Ocean Obsession out of Cape Canaveral, Florida. Typically in my videos I'm an inshore fisherman, so I don't offshore fish much. So we decided to switch it up and see what we could pull off the bottom.
This is the rod reel baiter shop, or use any of the equipment on board. Ask any one of us, more than happy to help you out. Other than that, guys, you're free to drop down, go left, and catch them up. And one more thing, if anybody is feeling seasick, please do not get sick inside the galley, the trash cans, or the restrooms. Please get sick over the railing. Thank you.
First fish on.
There it is, Gabe. You know what that is right there, right?
That's bait.
That's bait. That's bait. That's bait.
Holy that's a big
That's
fish.
perfect bait.
You're mounting that, right, Gabe?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna use his head though.
There you go. What was it? 12 to 4.
Oh, broke me off instantly.
Had to be a barracuda. Come on the bottom.
That's he.
Oh yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Oh,
You see that?
No, I saw it. I'm like,
what are you putting out
I
there?
don't understand why it keeps cutting it that quick.
Probably kudas.
Oh, it didn't cut it.
Is it just free line?
No, it did cut it.
Forward on the camera. Forward on the camera. GoPro, start recording.
is it going? Yeah, is it
Yeah,
going?
it's
Go
going.
on.
Good, good, good. Slide to the corner.
Slide around, guys. Come around.
Come over, come over. Woo, woo, woo. Feeling good? Oh, it's fine down on you, man. Oh, shit.
There's a fish, baby.
Woo, woo, woo.
No, free line.
I'm gonna need a gas.
Go easy on him. You don't have wire.
Yeah. He's up. Let him run. Let him run.
I can't.
Oh, shit, never mind.
He's gonna get in the reef.
Don't let him get in the rib yet.
Yeah, go on, Gabe.
Get line back. Get line back. Get line back.
Easy. Don't horse him too much, though. Shit.
Just keep going.
Come on. Come on.
I ain't worried about it. Very good guy.
Gabe, that's awesome, man.
Hell yeah. You got him, Gabe.
Oh,
Come on.
See, I don't want that. That's what I'm worried about.
oh, don't pull, buddy. He might be in you.
No, like us. Yeah, I'm good. I'll
Slide around that corner, buddy.
Watch out.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I got it.
Slack off, guys. Slack off for me.
Yeah, you're on. I don't want to mess up. You're good. You're good.
There you go.
There you go. He's right there.
Right there.
Good fish. I'm fighting like 10 people at the same time.
Flag if you're going onto the boat.
More like 15. Oh man. Okay, well I can't reel any farther, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Hand line it for him.
Hand line, yeah. Take the rod. Just be easy on him. He's easy.
Oh, it's a tuna.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
It's a giant bonita.
Bonita. Damn.
Giant bonita.
bleed like a fucking pig when he comes in here though.
Get him.
3 times he's on.
Woo!
Hell yeah. No.
Sorry about moving over.
Look at all the wine you brought in.
Oh my god. Woo!
First fish on the new BG. On the free line, bro.
Keep it just so it counts.
This doesn't count towards the pot. Bonita's first bite all day.
There it is. The bonehead.
Look at that. Sweet fish.
Yeah.
Spider, man. Hell yeah. Nice, brother. Slaying out here. From right here?
Yep, let me open that box for you. Oh yeah, look at the box.
All the maki in there too.
All good?
I'll grab one. Thanks, man. Gone? Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah.
Your line's messed up on your island.
Yeah, your line's wrapped. Watch out. There you go. You got it. You got it. Nice.
It's a fish though. It's coming in the boat.
Something.
Is it, man?
If you can talk while you're reeling that.
Oh, trigger.
That's a little trig.
Nice.
Alright.
Those are good eating.
That's keeper there, I think.
I hate
Good
playing
eating.
tricks. Oh, you do? Yeah. Here, you didn't tell me that.
I did tell you.
Alright guys, pick them up. Keep moving until we find them.
Any more with them? Where's he at, John?
Oh! Almost had him.
Hey Adam, can I get that gap radar and that please? Hey John.
Oh! What you got over there?
Stinkfish, man. Oh, get ready. Gonna come up for you right here. You need to slide up a little bit more.
Dude, that's a stud, bro.
Nice gig.
He's digging.
Don't play with it.
What's your leader, Garrett?
60.
Alright, yeah, don't worry.
Just be careful with them.
You got a little part of that, so don't play with it, buddy.
I'm sorry.
Go, 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 go.
You got a smoky guy.
King.
He's coming up.
Here. Oh, she's doing the
20
spiral
right
of
there,
death,
that's a
man.
good
She's
one.
coming up.
Now, pop. Oh, wait, no, my bad. Oh.
Here.
Get him up, get him up. Here he comes.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
You go.
Damn!
Come on, Joey.
He didn't even break it, did he? He
No.
just came off. Oh my
Came
god.
It was so close
How?
to the boat like 4 times. It was a bummer. If I would have turned around and seen you put that shirt on, I would have pushed you around in the water.
I don't know what you're doing.
This guy.
Are you pointing at me? Oh, you're f***ing welcome.
I never mentioned that in the video at all. So the last hour, Max decided to take the unlucky banana shirt off, and then everyone starts hooking fish. We'll just chill up here, watch the view on the way back, man. Dude, this close to getting the mahi, bro.
This close to getting a 20-pound kingfish.
Dude, I
You
know.
have a cooler to put that in.
Double O's the best boat in the port, you already know.
Hell yeah, man.
Session shark. Get you some. Just got back to the ramp. We're gonna see who won the jackpot. I'm pretty sure that giant mangrove snapper did.
Here's the haul.
Countdown for the rocket launch.
See how dark it is?
Yeah, it's dark as hell. Like, if you compare that to like the blackfin or anything else, like I think it kind of looks the same, right?
Not how dark this one's
A
real
little
dark.
bit more dark.
Yeah.
Because of all the blood.
Yeah, if we would have bled it, it'd have been a totally different ball game.
25 seconds. Till the rocket launch.
Alright, we just got back from the trip. We got our fillets here.
I caught the fish.
The bean that I caught. I honestly think they're the same as.
I brought it in a
the
lot
other two.
late today.
Yeah, we had a nice trigger fish today as well.
I don't like wear my arm out. But,
Go
yeah.
ahead, trim them up. And we're gonna cut these into small pieces and we're gonna pan sear them.
Yep, that's right. We got a little bit of we go panko or chips. Crush them up
Whatever.
for yourself. Rub them up yourself. That's your own thing. A little bit of oil in the pan. It's game.
Whatever way you like to do it.
So
Put a
right now
little
he's
bit of,
trimming that bloodline out.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of that
Well, this is
cayenne
my
pepper
first
in
time
there
having
too.
bonita.
It's gonna be pretty good.
And they're actually eating it.
It's blackfin tuna. It's the same thing.
Same thing.
That's a really nice piece of meat.
I'm kind of pumped. I mean, like,
I think
feel
it's
like
the
it
same
will.
thing as
It'll work the
blackfin
same
tuna.
way.
I think they honestly taste just as good. So we got our perfect little steaks, little squares.
And honestly, guys, like, this is bonita. Like, please stop and
Doesn't
look at
look
this.
bad.
Like,
Yeah, it's not.
after all of that,
This is a fish that
after
was not
all of
black.
that was thrown away.
This is bonita.
This is also fish though that has not been bled
Look at
out.
that guy.
I've got our seasoning going here. We just dry rubbed them, no egg or anything. I'm just gonna throw them right on here, cook them on high for just a little small amount of time, and then cook them medium rare, pan seared.
Rare.
Basically rare, yeah. Super rare.
Careful.
Yeah, but just put some butter and oil in there, and make sure you're not cooking more than like 3 minutes or so. You really just want the outside to cook when you're doing it like this. It's just as good as blackfin tuna, honestly. Most underrated fish in the ocean.
We apologize in advance if you can hear Rick and Morty in the background. We are watching television.
You know what? It's a good show. Just call out.
Perfect. Really turned out good. Kind of like, yeah, that one's already cooked on that side.
Yeah, it's already like too much cooked.
So like,
Yeah, quick flip.
get
Get 'em out of there.
Quick.
Alright.
Alright. It turned out pretty good. What do you think? It tastes pretty good?
Take a bite and show me the inside.
And that is exactly how you want them to turn out. Pink in the middle, raw in the middle, and brown on the outside like that. Turned out pretty good.
He's eating it raw.
It's a little chewy, but